Hi students. In this video we will see in 18 CS 51 management entrepreneurship for IT industry. So in this video we will learn what is strategic planning and what is tactical planning and what is the difference between strategic planning and tactical planning. Okay. So first we will see that what is strategic planning. So there are various plans are there under the planning. So in that these two are very important, strategic and tactical. So what is strategic planning? So planning itself, what we have to do in the future, who will do that particular work, when we have to start that particular work will be the planning. So in this planning, what is strategic planning? So generally strategic planning is defining and prioritizing the long-term plans, it may be 5 years, it may be 10 years, long-term plans that includes examining an organization's purpose, mission, philosophy and goals in the light of its external environment. So whatever the external environment is there, external environment may be the customers, may be the raw material supplier. So other than the organization, whomever they are there, that it may be the government, it may be the customers, it may be other people, everybody will come under the external environment. So as per the external environment, okay, the strategic planning is defining and prioritizing the long-term plans, that is for 5 years or 10 years. It is the long-term plans that includes examining an organization's purpose, whatever the purpose of the organization. Maybe the organization is the production of the cars. In that case, the purpose of the organization is the purpose of organization is producing the quality cars, okay, giving very good satisfaction to the customers is the purpose of the organization, like that. So strategic planning, they are defining and prioritizing that long-term plans for 5 years, 10 years. It includes the examining of organization purpose, mission, philosophy and goals, whatever the goals or mission or philosophy is there for the organization in the light of its external environment. It means that the outside the organization, so how they are feeling, like what they are expecting from the company for the 5 years, 10 years. So accordingly the company has to plan and has to give their particular product to the customers. Okay, it is proactive and future oriented, focuses on 3 to 5 years operation of the organization. So it is very proactive, like in future how we need to be and how we need to reach that particular goal. So for example, Kia Motors, like Kia started from past 1.5 year their product, that is Kia car. It may be Seltos they introduced at the beginning. Now they have given the Sonet one more car, and they are going to give even one more car as a very big SUV, that is Carnival. So whatever the product they are producing to the market, so their focus should be for 3 years, 5 years, how many number of units we need to sell that particular car, and the customers, how the satisfaction should be there in the customer's mind. Everything will be there in this particular strategic planning. Okay, it generally aims at creating an image of the desired future and design ways to make plans a reality. So whatever the plans they are making now, it should be in the realistic, it should be realistic in the future. It may be 3 years or 5 years span of 3 years, 5 years time. It should be realistic, because see, the Kia cars, when they are expecting that 10 lakhs number of units, that is 10 lakhs cars or 15 lakhs cars, they are going to produce and they are going to sell within 3 years. That is really acceptable, because many people are really passionate about the Kia cars now, and many people they are buying. Okay, so all they are giving their 3 months, 4 months time for the delivery period also. So in that case, then definitely they are having huge demand and they can sell, no problem. But if the same company, if they are expecting that 1 crore cars in India they need to sell or something within 3 years, it is not possible, because the population of India is 130 135 crores, and every 135 people one car. If they are expecting that to sell that particular thing, it is not possible, because in India there are so many companies, they are producing very quality cars. So people are not only passionate with Kia cars, people are passionate with various other models, other company cars. So whatever they are giving the target for the 3 years or 5 years, it should be realistic. It means that whatever they are planning now, it should be, they should reach that particular target within the span of time. Okay, like that they should aim and they should create that particular number or figure or any target for that particular start time, and they have to create strategic planning accordingly, like how to reach that particular goal. Okay, what type of strategies we need to follow, how to attract the customers, how can we give best quality product to the customer, how the customer will choose only our product, how can we sustain in the market, how can we compete with the market, various market companies, various market products. Everything will come under this strategic planning. Accordingly they have to plan strategically. Next, tactical planning. So tactical planning decided how resources of the organization will be used to achieve strategic goal. So tactical planning will help to reach the strategical goal. Whatever their strategic goals are there, like they are planning for 3 years, 5 years, whatever they are planning, this tactical planning will help to achieve this particular goal. So they use this particular tactical planning to reach the particular thing. See, for example, I have taken here, a unit director plans a meeting of staff nurses to reinforce knowledge gained from orientation of new staff. So when new staff are joining into the hospital, so the director plans that a meeting of nurses, staff nurses, he is planning to conduct a meeting with the staff, newly joined staff nurses, may get endorsement from the division chief nurse who has set her own staff development plan for the whole division. It means that, so who, I mean, chief nurse will be there, the chief nurse who has set for her own staff development plan for the whole division. So she will be having already some plans. So according to her plans, so whatever it is there, she will conduct or she will organize one meeting, and she will explain everything to the newly joined staff members, newly joined staff nurses. Second one, I have taken one more example. Unit director reviews with staff medical supplies. So whomever they are supplying the medicine, so the unit director reviews or conduct a meeting, and he will conduct the review that what can we do better, how to reach the strategic goal. For 3 years we need to sell this many number of products. So how to reach that particular thing, how can you help to reach that particular goal, everything they will plan according to this particular meetings and all. So that is nothing but tactical planning. So strategic versus tactical plannings, how it will be. So strategic planning decides the major goals and policies of allocation of resources to achieve these goals. So whatever the goals and policies are there which they have decided, so to achieve these goals, these particular major goals, I mean this strategical planning will decide about these major goals and policies of allocation of resources to achieve these particular goals. At the same time, tactical planning decides the detailed use of resources, whatever the resources are there of the organization. So use of these particular resources for achieving these goals. Okay, next. So strategic planning done at higher levels of management. So who will do the strategic planning is always the top level of management. That is, already we have learned that there are three different levels of management will be there. That is top level, middle level and lower level. So the top level management will decide this particular strategic plannings and all. Say they only do this planning everything for the strategic. So higher level of management, so middle level management, maybe sometimes even middle level management also may participate for the strategic planning, but not every time. So middle level management sometimes not even aware that strategical planning being considered. Okay, so tactical planning is done in lower levels of management, because whatever the strategical planning they are doing by the top level management, this tactical lower level management people has to complete that particular task through this tactical planning. And strategical planning is a long-term planning, as I told you, 3 years to 5 years or 10 years sometimes. But tactical planning is very short-term. That is, it may be weeks, it may be months, it may be below 1 year. And strategic planning is generally based on long-term forecast. is generally based on long-term forecast about technology, political environment, everything. But when it comes to tactical planning, is generally based on the past performance of the organizations and is less uncertainty. And strategical planning is less detailed because it is not involved with the day-to-day operations of the organization, but whereas tactical planning is more detailed because it is involved with the day-to-day operations of the organization. Okay, thank you.